Hello, digital marketers. Are you looking to boost your sales through Facebook ads? Today we're on an exciting journey to unravel the secrets of building an effective sales funnel using Facebook ads. As we navigate this path, we'll follow the story of our fictional company, Eco Home Essentials, using it as a hands-on example. From finding your audience to crunching the numbers, we'll cover it all. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to dive into the world of Facebook ads and sales funnels. First, let's understand what a sales funnel is. Picture a funnel, wide at the top, narrow at the bottom. This is a metaphor for your customer's journey, starting with a large number of potential customers and ending with a smaller number of people who actually make a purchase. The sales funnel has four main stages: awareness, interest, decision, and action. In the awareness stage, potential customers learn about your product or service. Moving down the funnel, we reach the interest stage, where those aware of your offerings consider whether they might need them. Then comes the decision stage, where potential customers decide whether to go ahead with a purchase. Lastly, in the action stage, they finalize the purchase, completing their journey through your sales funnel. Now that we know what a sales funnel is, let's move to the practical steps. The first step is to set up a Facebook Business Manager account. This is your command center for everything related to your Facebook ads. It's where you'll manage your ads, pages, and insights, all in one comprehensive dashboard. Getting started is straightforward. Head over to business.facebook.com and click on Create Account. You'll be prompted to enter your business details, including the name, address, and website. You'll also need to specify your primary page or create a new one if you don't already have one. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Submit. Facebook will then review your request, and if approved, you'll receive a notification to complete the setup. This includes adding people to manage your account and connecting your ad accounts. With your Facebook Business Manager account ready, you can now start creating your ads. A crucial step is defining your target audience. This isn't just about knowing who you're talking to. It's about understanding their needs, wants, and motivations. It's about speaking their language. You see, the more you know about your target audience, the more effectively you can engage them, and the more likely they are to take action. Let's take our fictional company, Eco Home Essentials, as an example. They've identified their target audience as environmentally conscious consumers aged 25 to 45 who are interested in sustainable living. They've drilled down into this audience's key interests, like renewable energy and waste reduction, and they've researched their spending habits and online behaviors. This deep understanding allows Eco Home Essentials to craft Facebook ads that are not just targeted but tailored to their audience. The result? More engagement, more clicks, and ultimately, more conversions. With your target audience defined, you can start creating ads that resonate with them. Now let's dive into the first stage of the sales funnel: awareness. This is where you want to catch the eye of your potential customers and make them aware of your brand. You've got to create an ad that's engaging and relevant, something that resonates with your target audience. For our fictitious company, Eco Home Essentials, we'll create a video ad that showcases the positive impact of using sustainable products. It's not just about showing the products, but also telling a story that aligns with the values of our target audience. Imagine a video that starts with a bustling city scene, then transitions to a serene home filled with Eco Home products. The narrator talks about the importance of sustainability and the role each one of us can play in it. The ad ends with a call to action, inviting viewers to join the Eco Home community and make a difference. Once we have our ad concept ready, it's time to set it up on Facebook Ads Manager. Here, you can select your target audience, set your budget, and schedule your ad. You can also choose the placement of your ad, whether it be in the newsfeed, stories, or the right column. Remember, your ad should be optimized for both mobile and desktop users. And just like that, your first ad is ready to catch the attention of your target audience. Next, we move on to the interest phase of the sales funnel. This is the stage where your audience has moved beyond simply knowing about your brand to showing more direct interest in your products or services. It's the perfect time to start nurturing those leads. Consider our example of Eco Home Essentials. They've piqued the curiosity of their audience with an engaging video ad. Now, they want to cultivate this interest by providing more detailed information about their top products. How do they do this? Carousel ads. Carousel ads are an effective way of showcasing multiple products or features at once. They allow Eco Home to highlight their best-selling items, each with its own image, description, and link. But it's not just about showing off products, it's about providing value. Each carousel card links to a blog post on EcoHome's website, where potential customers can learn more about the benefits of sustainable living. The key here is to make sure your content is interesting, engaging, and above all, informative. This is your chance to show your audience why they should care about your brand and what you have to offer. It's not about the hard sell, but about building a relationship and establishing trust. Remember, the goal of the interest phase is not to make a sale, but to nurture your leads, turning casual browsers into potential buyers. Your content is now ready to generate interest among your audience. Now, let's move to the decision stage. This is the point where your audience, having shown interest in your product or service, must decide whether or not to take action. Remember, at this juncture, your goal is to convert that interest into action. Let's take our fictional company, EcoHome Essentials, as an example. They've managed to garner interest with their engaging ads and content. Now, they want to nudge their audience towards making a purchase. But how can they do that? Here's where targeted ads come into play. EcoHome Essentials creates a targeted ad campaign offering a limited-time discount code. This is specifically aimed at users who have visited their website, shown interest in their products but have not yet made a purchase. By offering a tangible incentive, EcoHome Essentials is creating an opportunity for their audience to make a decision. This decision could be the difference between a user simply browsing their website and actually making a purchase. And voila! Just like that, EcoHome Essentials has transformed interest into a potential sale, moving their audience further down the sales funnel. Remember, the decision stage is all about providing your audience with that extra nudge they need to go from being interested to becoming a customer. By creating these decision opportunities, you're not only increasing your chances of converting a sale, but also building a stronger relationship with your audience. You've now created opportunities for your audience to make a decision. Finally, we reach the action stage of the sales funnel. This is where you seal the deal and convert interest into a purchase. It's about making it as easy as possible for your potential customers to take the final step and buy your product. Let's go back to our EcoHome Essentials example. Here they use dynamic product ads. These are personalized ads that show products the potential customer has previously viewed on the website. The message accompanying these ads is simple yet effective. Still interested? Check out with a 10% discount. This kind of tailored advertising not only reminds the customer of their initial interest, but also provides an incentive to make a purchase. It's a powerful tool that can significantly boost your conversion rates. Remember, the goal here is to facilitate action. Make your call to action clear, and create a sense of urgency to encourage immediate purchase. Your sales funnel is now complete and ready to facilitate action. But your work doesn't end here. It's important to analyze and optimize your funnel. This is where the magic happens. The data you collect about your ad performance is a treasure trove of insights. Dive deep into metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. These numbers tell a story about your audience's behavior and preferences. Are people clicking, but not buying? You might need to tweak your landing page or check if your product meets their expectations. Is your cost per acquisition high? Perhaps your targeting needs refining. Constantly monitor these metrics and don't be afraid to experiment and iterate. A/B test different ad creatives, headlines, and calls to action. Your sales funnel is a living, evolving entity that can always be optimized for better results. Remember, the goal is not just to build a funnel, but to build a funnel that works. With these steps, you are now equipped to build an effective sales funnel using Facebook ads. Go ahead and boost your sales.